Pilpritidok Kopodok Shal Balalai Donglayo. Often Kuchang Jorao, Kopodok Shalurgi, Chung Balaino, Naitoto, Gormokacha, Kimlebong, Banda, Nobidonglayo, Ojora Paimacha Fainai, Joto, Borologno, Tini Opando, Fainai, Mujangamayo Bagay, Belay, Belay Kana Hambai.
Ormakasak, Imbotoko, Tini, Mazapaka. Pandani, Pandan Sunai Nareo Okra, Masang, Pronjut Singoharai, Rang Chap Tang, Kari Mungni, Tekok Tum Tang Sepni Montri, Hasuk, Borom Ganang, Emele Masang, Ramapoto Jomatia, Dai, Borom Ganang, Mike Chapang, Pok Pangpai, Takok. Boxingai, Besang Dr. Otul Deforma, Narwai, Otom, Ratnojit Deforma, Besang Subasish Mundobatai, Besang Anandahari Jomatia, Tipra Bosok, Naikil Taiku, Dongkor, Rahapang, Amri, Logologi Sini, O Himotoko Mataka, Purjom, Boys Higher School, Shishubihar Higher Secondary School, Ubangato Academy Higher Secondary School, Vijay Kumar Girls Higher Secondary School, Kamini Kumar Shubho Memorial Higher Secondary School, Bani Vidyapith Girls School, Purjom Girls Higher Secondary School, Pragati Vidya Bhavan Higher Secondary School, Maharani Tulshavati Higher Secondary School, Shubhra Academy Vidya Mandir, Ubangato Academy English Medium School, Abunno Karen, Modesto, Kosovo, MBB College, BBM College, Corporate College, Art and Craft, Women's College, Ram Thakur College, Tipra Corporate Law College, Sachin Devram Memorial Meju College, Institute of Advanced Study in Education, Punjobon, Agartala, Rani, Srengnai, Tessenasi Club, Amno, Kare, Tipra Central University, Tai NGO Rago, Maharani Hiraboti Girls Hostel, Hapang Society,